Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Transit versus Toyota Hiace. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which van best suits your needs. We'll explore everything from cargo space and engine options to reliability and overall driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which commercial vehicle is the better fit for your business or personal use. Let's get started. The Ford Transit stands out for its impressive versatility and sheer size. With various wheelbase and roof height options, it can offer a massive cargo volume, reaching up to 487 cubic feet in certain models. This makes it ideal for businesses needing to transport large items or for extensive custom conversions. Drivers also appreciate the Transit's comfortable interior and modern tech features, which contribute to a more enjoyable and productive time behind the wheel. The Toyota Hiace is a true workhorse, celebrated globally for its legendary reliability and durability. Many owners report these vans lasting well over 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. It also delivers impressive fuel economy, with some diesel variants achieving around 47.9 miles per gallon. This efficiency, combined with its more compact dimensions, makes the Hiace a fantastic choice for navigating busy city streets and tight parking spaces. Ultimately, your best choice depends on your specific requirements. If maximum cargo capacity, diverse configurations, and a comfortable, tech-rich cabin are priorities, the Ford Transit might be ideal. For unmatched reliability, superior fuel efficiency, and urban agility, the Toyota Hiace stands out as a top contender. Both are excellent commercial vehicles, but cater to slightly different operational demands. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.